Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Discord for no-code bot integration step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Discord website. If you already have an account, click on the login button located at the top right corner. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the first text field. Next, input your password in the second text field. Click on the login button to access your Discord account. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, a prompt will appear. Retrieve the code from your authentication app or the SMS you received. Enter the code in the provided field and click on Verify. Upon successful login, you will see your Discord server list on the left side. To create a bot, navigate to the developer portal by visiting discord.com/developers. Click on Applications in the left sidebar of the developer portal. Select the New Application button at the top right corner. Name your application and click Create. In the application dashboard, go to the Bot tab on the left. Click on the Add Bot button. Confirm by clicking Yes, do it, when prompted. Your bot is now created, and you can customize its settings here. To integrate no-code solutions, explore options like Zapier or Integromat. Log into your account on the no-code platform of your choice. Connect your Discord account by following the platform's instructions. Once integrated, you can set up automated workflows based on your needs. Now your Discord bot is ready for no-code integrations. Enjoy exploring the possibilities for your server. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.